What's going on, guys? It's myself, Lady Dance Plays, and welcome back to the channel. So we're doing something completely different yet again, and it's another unboxing that I'm doing, guys. And I have come to the end of my phone contract, which I was on. So I'm on 3 UK, and I was literally due for an upgrade. So I decided to go for this one on a new contract, and this is the Huawei P30 Lite, and I'm just gonna share this out to you all, guys. So we're unboxing this thing right away. And just to let you all know, everything on the channel is literally gaming and tech related stuff, and even I stream live let's plays when I do get time to do so. But it's just like I said, I don't even plan stuff, so I can't have a fixed schedule at the moment with the amount of things I've got going on in life in general, I should say. So let's open this thing up. So as we got in here, we got the phone itself. I like how it comes with a nice triple camera. Let me just get the focus right on this. Yeah. And I just can't believe it's 48 megapixels, which is absolutely insane for a light version of the P30. But I was going to go for the P30 Pro, but that was too much for me to pay a month. So I didn't want to end up paying like £50 a month. But this one is like 29 for 24-month contracts, which I'm happy about with. And then what are the bits we got in here? So we got the release key, so it pops the SIM tray out. We got the quick start guide, but as you all can see, it's all in different languages. Warranty card, and then you got your basic like standard wall charger from Huawei, the actual official brand itself. I've actually got the same one which I am filming it with, so it's my older Huawei P30 Lite, and I still rate this phone and the camera is still good on it, but I'll just keep it as a backup. And this is the USB Type-C cable here. Yeah, so it does actually take that. Let me just get the focus right. Nice high quality lead there. And then at last but not least, we've got the... What kind of a headset is this? I'm not really happy with it. Looks really kind of cheap, to be honest. But I'm just going to leave it in there. So let's look at the overall phone itself. So we got the SIM and SD card tray, and that's your release slot there, and that's the microphone. And down here you got the headphone jack 3.5mm, the USB Type-C input, and that's the speaker, and that's your microphone there as well. So when you do video record, it does record in stereo. And the front facing camera is 28 megapixels, which is insane. But yeah, I'm really happy with this phone. I think I'm going to be using this for the next 2 years, I should say. And we're just booting this thing up. Well, the startup sound has not changed at all, but the splash screen is nicely updated. So we're waiting for this thing to load. So we're going to go on to English. Get started. Just going to go on next. I have read the terms and conditions. Now I'm just going to skip that one. No, not yet. Right, skip that one again. No, I don't want the location on. Accept. Skip that one. No thanks. Later. Keep your software up to date. Enable and continue. It might just ask me for the Wi-Fi again, or to connect to a nearby internet. So it's got a nice layout here. So it's the same as the old P30 Lite, which I've got, but I'm really truly happy with this. So the actual specs on this phone is, does it even tell you on the box itself? Let's see and let's find out. Ah, here we go. So 128 gigabytes internal storage, 4 gigabytes of RAM. As I said, for the battery life, it's 3.3 milliamps, which is really insane. And I like how it's designed. This must be the earpiece here for when you're on the phone. So the lock screen is kind of nice and sleek. It's got that really pristine display on it. Let's go on to settings and let's just go on to the storage itself. Okay, so only 14 gigabytes used of the 128. Yep, and also it's running the latest Android Pie as well. So I'm really looking forward to stick the SIM in this bad boy here. But it's not so bad for a reasonable price phone as it is. But just gotta say I'm happy with this, guys. And let me know in the comments below if you want this phone or if it's the one for you. Yeah, so they do have some current offers on it if you're willing to go on contract or pay as you go. But yeah, just gotta say thanks for watching, guys, and I hope this has helped out. And I hope you found my unboxing like completely odd. And take care. I'll see you all in the next video. Peace.